The Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time there lived a tortoise and a hare. The hare, who was very fast, always teased the slow tortoise. "Ha, ha, ha! Even a snail is faster than you," he said. The tortoise did not like the teasing one bit. Finally he decided to do something about it. "Let's have a race," he said. The hare fell down laughing. "Okay, but you know I will win," he said. "We will see," said the tortoise. On the day of big race all the animals came to watch. "On your mark, get set, go," said the fox. The hare hopped fast, fast, fast. The tortoise walked slow, slow, slow. The hare hopped fast, fast, fast. The tortoise walked slow, slow, slow. Soon the hare was ahead of the tortoise. "Ha, ha, ha! I can take a nap and still wake up in time to beat the tortoise," said the hare. So he did. Snore, snore, snore. But as the hare napped, the tortoise walked slow, slow, slow. And guess what? By and by the tortoise passed the hare. After a while the hare woke up. "Oh no, the tortoise is winning!" he yelled. He jumped up and hopped along the path. But it was no use. The tortoise crossed the finish line first. The tortoise won! The tortoise won! All the animals cheered. "How did you ever beat the hare?" asked the horse. The tortoise grinned. "The hare may be fast, but slow and steady wins the race." By and by, after a while, grinned, smiled. Hare, an animal like a rabbit. Steady, carefully. Tortoise, an animal like a turtle.